Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify data. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify data, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify and you will click here in this app. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage as you see. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.